So today we're going to be learning the volume of rectangular prism. Rectangular prism is a solid three-dimensional object, which has 6 faces that are rectangles. So pull out your star chart and find the volume formula for a prism. So when you find it, it'll say for a prism, not just for a rectangular prism. So there's multiple prisms that we're going to learn about. But the volume formula that you're going to use is V equals big B times H, okay? There's a reason why it's called big B, and that's not a lowercase b. Because the big B in the formula is the area of the base. In this case, the base is a rectangle. So the reason why it's called a rectangular prism is because the base of the prism is a rectangle. So you're going to find the area of a rectangle, which is just big B is equal to base times height, which is just the area of a base. It's actually what you've been doing. So this is my first problem. So we have the volume formula, V is equal to big B times H. Well, to be able to solve the volume formula, I need to know what big B is. So big B is just the area of the base. So let's just be base times height. And let's just say that this right here is the base. So the base is going to be 8, and the height will be 6. So 8 times 6 is 48. So big B equals 48. And I know sometimes my big B's will look like 13, so just pay attention to that. So volume, you replace big B was 48, and then the height of the figure will be 4. It's basically the number that you did not use. So it'll be 4. So you're going to do 4 times 48, which is 192. And that's how you find volume of a rectangular prism. Pretty straightforward. So let's do another one. So we're going to find big B, which is just base times height. And let's going to say this is the base again. So you're going to do 2 times 6, which is 12. So then your volume formula is big B times H. Again, I know. Okay, so big B is 12, and the height will be 4. So 4 times 12 is 48. And that's your answer. Okay. Next one. So you're going to find big B again, which is base times height. So then I'm going to make this the base as well. So the base will be 4. The height will be 9. 4 times 9 is 36. So the volume will be big B times H. So big B is 36, and the height will be 5. So the height will be 5. I know that kind of caught off, so that kind of looked like a 3 or a 5, but since we're doing that problem together, I'm going to say it's a 5. So 36 times 5 is 180. Okay, and if you did 36 times 3, that'll be 108. Okay, that's not the main, we're not worried about that. We're worried about if you can solve it or not. Okay, so now once you try one, so pause the video, try it, and figure out what the answer is. Okay, so first thing you do is find big B. Big B is just base times height because it's a rectangle. So the base would be 4, the height would be 9. So 4 times 9 is 36. So the volume formula is big B times H. Big B is 36, the height will be 8. So 36 times 8 is 288, which the answer is B. All right, let's do another one. So try this one by yourself again. Pause the video. All right, so now big B is base times height. The base will be 2, the height will be 3. 2 times 3 is 6. The volume formula is big B times height. Big B is 6, the height is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. The answer is A. All right, you do another one. So pause the video, find your answer. Okay, so, whoops. Big B is base times height. Whoops, that's a B. 2 times 3 is 6. So your volume is going to be big B times H. So your big B is 6 and your height is 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. So the answer is D. All right, guys, this one's pretty straightforward. Okay, so this is the base that we're going to be learning throughout this week. So Monday will be rectangular prism, Tuesday, triangular prism, Wednesday, rectangular pyramid, and then Thursday, rectangular pyramid, and then Friday, you're going to have a quiz over everything that we learned this week. Okay, you'll be receiving a homework packet with a couple of questions on it. The homework packet will actually be due February 9th. So we're going to give you 2 weeks to do this homework packet, okay?